Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem of Steam's need to be online to update JQ internet connection. You have Wi-Fi or Ethernet but the Steam is not updating your application. So I'm going to show you two simple methods to solve this problem. First of all, you just need to go to your search bar and search for control panel. Then open the control panel. Now if you have view by category option, change to large icons and find this network and sharing center. Then click on this change and adapter settings. Now if you have Ethernet or Wi-Fi like me, just right click on it and disable the Wi-Fi here and then enable it again. Now if you have Ethernet, just right click, disable the Ethernet and enable it again. And then try to open your Steam application if this helps for you. So if that doesn't work for you, there's another solution. Just go to CMD. So search bar and search for CMD. And open the command prompt here. Register to type a command here. The command is ipconfig //DNS and just press enter. Then just close the CMD here and then try to open your Steam application and check if it's working or not. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.